Lila.
Hi ate, happy birthday. So you're 7 na. Ibig sabihin, big boy na, ay big girl na. Sorry. Ang pressure lang. Big girl ka na. So, mas matalino, mas makulit, at mas sweet sa lahat. So, sana happy ka today. Maraming cake, maraming balloon, friends, and gifts. Happy ka ba? Yes. Gusto mo na love ka namin lahat. So, keep being mabait, happy, and strong. Mag-aral ka mabuti, makinig kay mom and dad, at maging good friends sa mga classmate mo. So, sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo. At pinaka-importante, never forget to thank Papa Jesus. So, enjoy your birthday, Ate Lila. Play with your friends and keep smiling. Never stop dreaming. Happy birthday, Ate!